Welcome, in front of me is the INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I'll show you how you can take a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this flash along with a pop-up right here, and you have two options. You can share or capture a scrollable screenshot, which, as you can see, the scrollable option was grayed out just because technically you can't really scroll down here. You can pull out the up tray, but that isn't considered scrolling down. So pages like this would be able to capture a scrollable one. So, or not. That's weird. So it looks like it doesn't even want to capture a scrollable one in here anyway. So once you have captured your screenshots, we can just simply jump to our Photos application. And your photos will be located under the Library section in Screenshots folder. So you can see it right over here. So that is how we can capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.